Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 16th, 2023. And I've already solved the one puzzle, the Sudoku with 2 stars. Well, actually it's 0 stars. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary Tagusa Sudoku, tectonic, jigsaw, Sudoku, yes, Suguru, it says Suguru, yes, in Japanese, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars, and this one will be number 6933. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, we have no 2s, we have here 3 3s, we have here 1 4, we have here 2 5s, we have here 1 2 3 6s, 4 6s. Alright, 2 7s, 5 8s. Wow. And 3 9s. No, 4 9s. So the 6, the 8s, and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 8? That's my question. Let me see. The 8. The 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 place level 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about the 6 then? 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place level the 6 should be there. 6 6 6. Okay. 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. How about the 9s then? The 9s. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between only 2 place level, the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 place left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9 now. I need to wait. I can go back to the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 6 6 6 6 6 6. Yeah. How about need a 1 here. 2, need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place level the 3 in the first column should be there. So the 2 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. Yeah, 2 and a 7 are missing. Alright, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these. 3 boxes here, 3 in this column, no 3 in those. 3 boxes, 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. missing 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Cannot continue with 3 now. How about we have a 5 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then 5, 5. Yeah. Need a 5 there. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only place left with 1 should be there. Need a 7 here. Yeah, okay. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this row could be here, could be there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. How about the 9? 9. Nope. 9. Oh, we have a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, so only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. 2, 4, 7. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, first column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes, second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 6. 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've eliminated 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, I need a 4 here, I need a 4 there. Yeah. Okay, need to think. 3 in this last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this row for the amount of 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Yeah, 3 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And we have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digital 3 number 1, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Alright. And now. Let me see. How about the 9 now? No, still the 9 here, still the 9 there, and still the 9 here. How about a 7 then? No, 7. No, 7. Think. No 4 here. 4. Yeah. 8, 9, 5. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 5. That means in the third row, we need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. 5 is missing. 2 is missing. We have a 2 here. 2. And need a 4 here. 4. Need to wait. Okay, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. Could be a 2 here. Alright. 2, 5. Need a 4. Need a 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this third row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next on that column. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. What the 6 then? 6. Yeah. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this last column. No 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 2, 5, 4. 4. About here, 2 and 4. Come on. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the amount of 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers. puzzles in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2. Okay. Come on. 5. No. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 7. Goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Oh, apologies. Bumped the camera. Apologies. Alright. Come on. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this as 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.